Changing the language in the Apple TV Plus app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the Apple TV Plus app. Launch the Apple TV Plus app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Look for the Settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear symbol. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Language Preferences. Within the Settings menu, find the option labeled Language or Language Preferences. This section allows you to modify the language settings for the app. Step 4. Choose your preferred language. Browse through the list of available languages. Tap on the language you wish to use for the app interface and content. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your preferred language, confirm your changes if prompted. The app may refresh, and the new language settings should take effect immediately. Now you can enjoy your content in your chosen language. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the app's help section or contact support.